Immobiliser fit. This is a 2019 A35 AMG with a Starline immobiliser. So a thief copied this key, got in, went to steal the vehicle. It starts up. As soon as they put it in gear, you can see it cut out. There we go. Unable to drive it away. If they try again, vehicle's not going to start. So what the customer has to do, foot off the brake, tap the start button twice to get their ignition on, go for a code of their choosing, 1, 2, 3. Hear that disarm tone, foot on the brake and start. Customer can obviously set their own code between 3 and 21 presses and any of the supported buttons, totally up to them. Or if they don't want to waste time doing a PIN code, they pair their Bluetooth phone up in their pocket, hop in the vehicle and start. It disarms straight away and they can drive off. No need to waste time with a PIN code. This is the Starline Immobiliser. Give us a call 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser fit. Once again, if someone copies your key, goes to steal the vehicle, it's going to start and die.